welcome to my room. Hello, today I'm going to be decorating, revamping my room. I just moved into this apartment like 3 weeks ago and I still haven't decorated my room. So we're gonna do that today and I'm really excited because this room is so boring. So yeah, she needs to be fixed. I actually share this room with my best friend Rachel. I bought a ton of things from Amazon and just like miscellaneous things everywhere to hang on the walls and I'm really excited about it, but it's gonna be a lot of work. I'm wearing this headband because I wanted my bangs to be out of my face. Like I just don't want to be like a working girl and just have like my bangs in my face. I just can't do it. So yeah, let's get started. Can I do this? We'll see. My neighbor is like puking up a storm like mucus. I can't do it. I'm hearing everything. So this is what the room looks like before. Here's Rachel's bed and her things. I'm not going to move her bed, but this is mine and it's just in a super awkward place. Like my dad even moved it here and it looks so much better than it did before, because before it used to be like this, but just over there, and it was just so awkward, like it would block everything. So we moved it, but I'm gonna move it again because I kind of want my own wall like how she has there, so I might just move it here. The awful closets, I hate these closets, these doors, the worst things ever. The storage is pretty nice, but the walls, I mean the doors are just awful. And then Rachel and I's desks are next to each other like this, and I like it. I mean, we don't like, it doesn't matter, but I like the wall space, but I kind of want the wall space for my bed. Like I feel like it just makes more sense for me, so that's what I'm going to do. That's what my room looks like. So here's the beginning layout. You can see that the desks are close together, the beds are super close together, and it's just like doesn't work. So I was thinking that I could move my bed to the other wall, kind of where my desk was, vertically, so I could have my own like wall space and my desk in just one area. And I think although Rachel and I share the same room, this kind of helps us have our own little space. So we'll see how that goes. The bed was super hard to move because of the carpeted floor, but I got through it. I did it. I was dancing a lot during this time because I was very stressed out because I didn't know what to do after, but I moved Rachel's stuff and it was just a lot of work. Oh my god, the carpets will be the death of me. I dropped something and I was like, oops, but I just moved Rachel's desk kind of out of the way, moved my stuff into its new home. This is how it is so far. It's a complete mess. All of that is awful, like right there. I'm making progress, I think. I still don't know if this like setup is gonna work out and like be functional for a room, but if it's not, I'll just move it back. But whoa, I'm out of breath. Like this is a lot of work. All right, it's been like 45 minutes, I think, since the last time I saw you, and this is what it looks like. I think I like it. I don't really know. I moved her desk here, and then this is like kind of what my side of the room looks like. The thing that I know is gonna get super old, it goes through this like little crevice to like get to my closet, but you know, sacrifices must be made for a cute room. I at first put the tapestries on top of my bed, and then I realized I didn't like it, so I moved it over to my desk.
Oh.
Yay!
Yay!
She looks
so
cute.
good.
So I just got home from class and I just wanted to show you guys a like final like mini room tour of what my room looks like, and I really like it. Alright, so you walk in and then I don't know if I really like how this is here, but I have no other place to put it, so we'll just have to deal with it. But I have this white thing from IKEA and then I just have these random things on it. I will have to put this in one of the drawers because it kind of looks really cluttered. My desk has this lamp that is super high tech, love her. And I have this panda headband that I use basically every day and night whenever I have to wash my face because my bangs get in the way. Then I have a mirror, hello, a fan, my hydro flask, and then just like little cute things. I really like how it's next to the bed. Before I didn't have like a nightstand or just like things to put next to me, so I really am happy that I have this fan right here because it's so hot in this room, it's ridiculous. I'm actually sweating right now, but I can't put the fan on because it's too loud. I'm just gonna hang my backpack there. I just have a trash can, and then when you look up, I hung up these lights. As you guys saw, these lights are from Amazon. It actually ends right there, and then I taped another one and then it goes over there. But these tapestries are from Amazon. It's a tarot card, it's the sun, the moon, and the star. I'm not completely sure if that's the right order, but we're just gonna go with it. I also got this fake leaf thing from Amazon and I just stuck it behind there. It's literally not attached to anything, like I just stuck it right there. This is definitely my favorite part. I kind of like the cluttered, disorganized look, but it's still organized, if that makes sense. Like it kind of looks like lived in. I actually layered 3 garlands like those, but just 3 of them up there, so it looks more full. And it kind of looks stupid if you like think about it. Like obviously plants will not be growing out of the ceiling, but just let me have this, okay? And then over here I have another poster thing from IKEA. This is from New York. I actually stayed on Broadway Street, so that's why I got that. Jewelry organizer. It's kind of out of place, but I don't have anywhere to put it. I guess I could put it here, but that's kind of a lot of work. I'm just gonna leave it there. And yeah, here's that little gap that I have of literally how I'm gonna access my closet. Luckily, Rachel's not affected by this. I kind of just made myself, like, if anyone's gonna suffer, it should be me, because like I'm the one that put my bed here. So Rachel has her big space over there. I'm cramped, but you know, there needs to be sacrifices, and I think it's worth it. And then all the ugly stuff is down here. I have my underwear and socks in there, some clothes, my shoes, and then I have a lot more clothes in there. I'm not gonna open it. It's just way bad. It's just so awful. But yeah, here's my room. I am really impressed with myself, not to toot my own horn or anything. But from what it looked like this morning, I think she had a major glow up. I really like the vibes and kind of like retro calming feeling I'm getting from these warm lights and these warm toned like posters. I get a lot of questions about this. I got this comforter thing from Amazon. I'm a hoe for Amazon, if you guys can tell. Unfortunately, I know it's a really bad company, but I just can't resist. Moral of the story is just put a ton of shit on your walls and then it'll look good. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I really would appreciate it, especially since I don't have comments in my videos because YouTube took that away. So all the engagement I can get really helps. I'm sorry if this video was a little boring for you guys, but I did want to document this like cool thing that I'm doing since I've been living in this place for about a month and I haven't done anything about it. Have a great day or night or morning, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I am so greasy today, and for what?